represent 12 number? Dozen means 12 number. A pair means 2 number. If I say one pair shoes means 2 in number. One gross means 144 number. Similarly, one mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles of substance. What particles? There are 3 types of particles, either atom or ions or molecules. So this number given by scientist Emilio Avogadro to honor his name, to honor that scientist, this number is known as Avogadro number and it is represented by N3. So what is mole? Mole is connecting link. We can say that mole is a connecting link between mass of a substance,
number of particles present in a substance,
right, and number of particles
present in substance.
of substance. Now we know that substances are of 2 types,
Element and compound.
element
And compound.
and compound. So with the help of mole, if you know the mole number, we can calculate the mass of any element or any compound. Or particles, 3 types of particles: atoms, molecules or ions. So these 3 types of particles number also, suppose I ask that how many number of particles are present in this chalk. So it is very difficult, we can't count this huge number and tiny number. So with the help of mole, we know that it is what? It is a compound. So first we will get the molar mass and weight this chalk piece. So what is the mass of this chalk piece? With the help of that mass we will calculate. So now I will tell you. Okay, so relation of mass and mole, relation of mole and number of particles I will tell you. For example, how many, what is the mass of one mole of oxygen represent, what is the mass? 16 gram mass represented by, if I say 1 mole oxygen atom. Oxygen atom means 16 gram. If I say 1 mole of oxygen gas, so what is its mass? 32, because 2 atoms you are looking in this molecule. So 16 into 2, 32 gram are present. 4 mole of sodium. So what is the mass of sodium? 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8 and 1. 92 gram. Okay. Acha. Now how can we calculate number of particles? For example, 1 mole of, same thing I am telling, oxygen atom represent this number of particles, Avogadro number. This much number of atoms are present in 1 atom of oxygen. If I say 1 mole oxygen atom means this number is present. Okay. 2 mole of oxygen atom or 2 mole of oxygen atom means 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. So you multiply it. and you will get like 2 2s are 4, 6 or 12. This much number of particles are present in 2 mole of oxygen atom. Okay. Now, for example, if I ask, okay, so these two things, relation of mass and mole, relation of mole and number of particles, we can, I told you this unitary method, but with the help of some formula also we can calculate. So that formula is N is equal to small m upon capital M. There, this M represent number of mole, given mass, molar mass. Okay. Second formula is N is equal to N, capital N and M0. So number of mole is equal to given number upon Avogadro number. So by these two formula also we can calculate it. For example, present in 50 gram calcium carbonate, right? So such type of question also we can solve. First, what we will do? We will first get the molar mass of calcium carbonate. So molar mass of calcium carbonate. So what is the mass of calcium? Anyone? 40.
40.
Carbon mass is, carbon atomic mass is 12 plus oxygen atomic mass
16
into 3. Okay. So 52 plus 48 is equal to 100 gram. So now we will make the sentence 100 gram calcium carbonate is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms present. Okay. So in 50 gram calcium carbonate is equal to 50 upon 100 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now it divided by 2, 2 3 is 6. Okay. So we will get here 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms are present in 50 gram of calcium carbonate. Now what question says? Question is asking oxygen atom. So you are looking that in calcium carbonate, how many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms are there. So we will write like this: in calcium carbonate, 3 oxygen atoms. So we will multiply this number 3 into 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23, and we will get 3 ones are 3, 0, 3 is 9 into 10 raised to power 23. Means calcium carbonate has 9.033 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Okay, I hope you can now solve this kind of questions.
Yes, ma'am.